Want to know how to check if two numbers are amicable numbers in Java? So, amicable numbers are simply two numbers where the sum of divisors of one number equals to the other and vice versa. So we have this moderate length code right here. It's like 199 code. You can just simply copy up this code and modify it by yourself. And I'm just going to explain you how this code works and how you can just simply use it easily. So we have the code and the helper function as well. So we have two methods right here. Now, what is done is we have taken 220 as integer A and 284 as integer B. So when you run 220 and 284, it will show as amicable numbers. Why? Because it just simply two numbers where sum of divisors of a one number is equal to the other. So we have used if-else statements right here, and inside another that is the main class, we have used for loop as well. And so now once we return the sum, we just simply get the result that it is an amicable number. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.